How to refresh Google Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you a few ways to refresh, whether it's just a page or the whole browser. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, if you just want to refresh the current page you're on, tap the refresh icon in the address bar. After that, if the icon isn't visible, pull down on the page itself and release to trigger the same refresh. At this point, give it a moment while the page reloads with the latest content. If the browser itself feels stuck or laggy rather than just one page, refreshing the whole app is a better fix. Following this, swipe up to view your recently used apps. From here, find Chrome in that list and swipe up on it to close it completely. At this stage, reopen Chrome from your home screen or app drawer. Once reopened, Chrome starts fresh, which often resolves any glitches or slow performance that a simple page refresh wouldn't fix. That's how you refresh Google Chrome on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.